Oh no. One.
Leela, there's a seagull. Let's go, no one can see us. What do you want?
I saw you killing a seagull. I just want to join your team. I don't have anything, trust me. I hate this society as much as you do. So please, let me join your team.
What makes you think you're worthy enough to join the seagull killers?
I can prove it.
Have you ever seen a gun before, boy?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a seagull right over there. You have 2 shots. Make it in 1. Let's go. That's pretty lame, boy. 1 more, let's go.
1 more.
Let's go.
Yes! I killed her.
That's the first. What do you think?
May I join your group, please?
You can join.
You don't have my approval, you have hers. You have to still prove yourself to me.
Okay, I will.
But you seem like a good kid, so I'll take you in. Take that rubbish off your head. Give it to me.
I will be wearing a green hat now. So I'm a rebel.
Put your hands down, boy. Do you think this is a club or something? We're killers.
Sorry.
You get me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, boy, after I give you this hat, you'll be a rebel. Hold up your head. Do you really want to take on this responsibility?
I really want to do it.
Let's go. Yeah. Guys, there's 3 of us now. 1 queen seagull. We 2 have been on this for years. We finally have a new member, the rookie. Are you ready to kill some seagulls?
Yes!
Let's go!
Oh, there's the queen.
Where?
You see her? There. No! He's dead. Okay. No. How are you? Don't leave me.
I'm going to heaven.
No.
My boy, you're the chosen one. I've known it from the first day I saw you. Where's La Layla? Where's La Layla?
Come.
La Layla, take good care of him.
Yes.
He's a wonderful kid. Kid, you have my blessing.
No.